issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hall Rock, Oregon, 7 miles west of Cumming, moving southwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Cumming, Mountain Park, Roswell, Alpharetta, Milton, Woodstock, Holly Springs, Ball Ground, Freehold, Buffington, Hickory Flat, Drew, Union Hill, Birmingham, Lebanon, Holbrook, Lidentown, and Ducktown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.